There is no network marketing company in the world that sells a nutritional supplement that boosts your immune system. And you actually can't buy this nutritional supplement that boosts your immune system, not work network marketing, because Immunotec's the only one that does it. So the reason why Immunotec would be a great option for people, because in a world that's full of misinformation, in a world that's full of, just noise, the one thing you can lean on is the facts. And the facts is that it's the only company that has a product which has truly got the science to back it. And so if you're really just trying to, if someone says, why should I join, or why should I, pick this product? And the facts is because you can't get it anywhere else, period. And yes, maybe it's a little bit different from the network marketing company's version, but you cannot buy a supplement which naturally boosts your immune system from the store. There's nowhere in the world, and the only place to get it is at a network marketing company called Immunotec.